Hello friends, I'm Priyanka and I have started my 90 days English speaking journey, and today my second day of English speaking journey. Yeah, so I'm practicing here, and friend, some when I talk to other person and some sentence talk in with fluency, that time my energy level in a high spiral. But sometime when I talk to other person and I have no, that time I have no word, how can I talk with fluency and I don't understand, that time I'm very feeling very blue and feel like very gloomy and sad. So leave it this. But today's topic about father. So first of all, I want to tell you about my father. Yeah, my father is a mission as well as he is a farmer. He wake up early in the morning, yeah, from his for his work. Yeah, so for today's topic all about father. To who is father? Yeah, father. Who is father? Father is always love their children, his children. Always father who is protect in every time and every situation to his children. Father who is strict outside but who is soft from inside in every time. Father who is like father who don't show his feeling in front of his children, but he love a lot to his children. Yeah, friend, friend, sometime children thinks that, especially teenagers child, uh, why my father abstract to me in every time, why my father shackles anytime and like control anytime. Why he wants to control to me? Teenagers thinks anytime this type of thinking, okay? But he don't know father wants to protect to him, and father wants to um, you become independent, and you become a very um, strict and a very I don't have a word, very independent children. So that's why father always strict in front of you and behave like strict, okay? But father like a coconut, na? Father who like a coconut, who is strict from outside, and who is strict in from outside and soft from inside. Yeah, because of he wants to na, uh, he want a father wants to his children's like never have to face any problem um, in every situation. So that's why he shackles his children. Yeah, so I really wants to uh, says that I really want to say that everyone should respect their father. Everyone should respect their emotions, and everyone should loves a lot to their love a lot their father, because of father like a pillar who is stand in front of his children in every time and every situation, and um, he protect he protect to his children like a um, like a wall, like a wall. So I really want to Children should love their father and respect to their father.